Hi, my name is Julio, and in today's video we're going to show you the building spaces and also what you can find around the area. So let's get started. We have a 24/7 reception with friendly staff that are happy to help you with any questions you have. Also, you can borrow everything from cleaning equipment to board games and video games. And now we are going to have a look at the communal kitchen and games area. In addition, we also have cozy study areas where you and your friends can work together during the semester period. And for entertainment purposes, we got a cinema room and a games room where you can unwind and hang out with your friends. Feeling like getting a workout? We have a gym with all the equipment you'll need, and that can be accessed at any time of the day. Our rooftop, in my opinion, is better than the other building's rooftop because we have a swimming pool and we also have 2 barbecue areas which you can choose from, so you can host your friends and have fun while enjoying a beautiful view.